Tense. I don't think I am, but still, what the fuck is wrong with Blizzard? So I've been playing for 3 years. This godforsaken game. I've been giving it basically 3 to 4 hours a day for 3 years. I've been trying to stick to the guidelines as much as I can. Every single day. Sure, I've been toxic. Yes, I recognize it. I've been toxic as much as every other person has been. But are you seriously gonna close my account because I defended myself against racists? Because I do not speak fucking Portuguese on my own region? It's not my fault that Blizzard servers are garbage here. It's not my fault that they decided to close them. It's not my fault, and I don't think that I should be held accountable. Like my account should be closed because I do not speak Portuguese, and people from Brazil are fucking assholes that mass report you if you do not speak their language, and they do not want to speak Spanish or English. I don't think my account should be banned because of that. I don't think I should be banned because I defended myself against racist allegations from those idiots. I don't think I should be banned because some asshole told me, hey, at least I do not have to sell my sister's body each month to get internet. I don't think that should go unpunished. And yet it is. Blizzard fucked over people from South America. Fucked us over from my region. And 90% of the bans that I've gotten, 90% of the suspensions that I've gotten have been because Brazilian people decide to troll so many others. And it's not just me. On the South American groups that I am for this game, more than one person constantly, we just complain about Brazilian people and having to play with them, not because we have anything against them, but because it's a pain in the ass. Because they mass report all of us because we do not speak their language. They mass report all of us if they do not like anything that we do. If they do not like us speaking Spanish. If we cannot even understand them. They mass report the hell out of us. Blizzard left every other country from South America out there to die. And I just cannot even begin to fathom in what part of their brain is this fair. I do not know. I do not know how people telling me that I sell my sister can still be playing this game. And why do I get punished? Why do I get punished? Because they say that I come from a third world country. They say that I am retarded. They say that I eat fucking garbage. They say all of this shit to me. And none of them ever get banned. None of them ever get anything done with them. I've dedicated more than 1,000 hours to this game. More than 1,000. I've dedicated everything to this game. And they decided to ban me because I said, "Oh, GG, tanks were garbage" on a match that didn't even matter. People have called me the N-word. They have called me retarded. They have called me so much other crap. They've said that I'm a fucking monkey. They've said that I belong on the jungle. Just because my country's Peru. They told me, hey, go eat birds from the floor. That's what you Peruvians do. They've done all of that crap, and none of them have ever gotten banned. None of them. And yet I am the one getting punished. I'm the one getting punished here. For this fucking garbage. And I don't even know what to do. They say, "Oh no, your ban cannot be appealed." Oh, okay. So if so many people troll me, I do not get a say in this. I do not get a say in any of this. Thanks, Blizzard. No shit, your whole company is going under. No shit, you gave us horrible patches. No shit, you gave us heroes that are fucking overpowered, and so many people just draw out of the fucking game. No shit. No shit, everyone complains about you because people can just troll the fuck out of you and you won't even give enough of a shit to even have a direct talk with the person before they get banned. No, you just throw the ban hammer for no fucking reason. You just throw it out to fucking everyone for no fucking reason. If the guy is genuinely toxic, of course he should get banned. He does not belong in this game. He doesn't. But I've been playing this game for so long. I've seen so much stuff come from this game, and I've always sticked with it, even if I didn't like it, because I love this game. And yet, no matter how much I try, no matter how much I try to be positive, no matter how the anything that I do, I still get fucked over. I still get fucked over. Why? Because I'm playing with people that do not understand my mother tongue. Sure, I go to other region to play. I'm playing with Americans, and people still fuck me over because they do not like the pick that I did, because they do not like the hero that I did. That's so fucking stupid. What else do I have to fucking do for this game? I've done fan art, I've done videos, I've tried to be more positive on the community. Hell, I even was trying to start a South American tournament because the fucking competition here is dead, because Blizzard doesn't do anything for us here. South American contenders is a fucking joke. 99% of the teams there are Brazilian. And the reason for this being that you guys do not try to promote anything on this region. You don't try anything here. But for every other country, you have a minor league and a major league. And South American people get no fucking recognition. I'm just done. I'm fucking done. I don't even know what else to do.
Should we should we start with the context, or should Zeke just?
I'm so fucking done with this. I do not know what. Dude, I just don't even know what else to do for this game. I just don't. 3 years of my life, and I get banned. Over and over. Yeah, dude, my account just got banned. My account just got banned, and the other 3 times that I got suspended was because people were trolling me because I was playing with Brazilian people. Dude, I have tried. It doesn't fucking work here. It just doesn't. I would love to stop queuing up with the people from South America. I would love it. The South American region in Overwatch is the most toxic and disgusting place that you'll ever see. It's fucking horrible. That's the reason why I don't like it. It's specifically because Blizzard doesn't give any support for it. Anyone can ban people just because you were having a bad day and some dude decided to pick Zenyatta instead of Brig. You're gonna get banned because of that.
Zeke, I'm not joining you. I'm about to.
And I'm just done. I'm just done with it. I do not know if Blizzard will even listen to me. I don't know if Blizzard will give a damn about me. I don't know. But I sure as hell hope that I can at least open a little bit of an appeal, because this is just wrong. This is incredibly wrong.
I would. I mean, and it hasn't been you being like toxic or anything.
Dude, dude, saying GG tank diff or whatever is whatever. Everyone does it. Literally everyone does it.
I do that. Yeah.
Saying stuff like oh this player is trash each once in a while. Anyone does that, and you don't get banned for it. Now, why do I get banned because of it? Why do I get banned? Because I don't speak Portuguese on a region where most people are Southern or are Spanish speaking people. Why?
Yeah.
Blizzard has given everything to all of the other regions except here. We don't have good servers. We don't have a good community. We don't even have a community voice. They literally left us. They left us alone
Happens a lot.
because they don't care. There isn't even a South American. There isn't even South American contenders. There isn't even. There aren't even teams. Literally, the only teams that come from South American contenders are Brazilian teams because everyone knows that Blizzard only has given a chance to them because they don't consider any other South American country. They don't consider it a contender even.
Well, I think that happens a lot. Like, I don't know why. I wonder if it's because of like, do you know if like Brazil has like a further away like fiber optic system from like everyone else?
No, dude, and Brazil is even worse. Dude, I'm gonna tell you this: the only other shooter that on this region that has a competitive scene here in South America is CS:GO, and it's because actually Brazilian players are really good at CS:GO. But Overwatch, we have nothing. We don't have servers in Peru. We don't have servers in Argentina. We don't have servers in Venezuela. We don't have servers in any of those countries. We don't have them. And we're stuck playing at more than 100 ping consistently because Blizzard neglects us. A lot of players get mass reported because we don't speak Portuguese and we don't even have to do it. We shouldn't have to speak another fucking language to play in our own houses without fearing getting banned because we don't speak it. We shouldn't, and yet we do.
You should put a post on the Reddit or something.
All of the rant that I've gone through for the last 15 minutes, I've had it recorded, and I'm sure as hell gonna spread it because this is wrong. Why do I have to get banned? Why do I have to get banned for other people trolling the hell out of me just because I don't speak a language? Why? I went months without any issues with Blizzard, months without anything, and yet for saying the our tanks were garbage this game. Oh well, whatever. I get banned for that. I get banned for that, and some dude doesn't get banned because he says that I prostitute my sister.
What?
That happened,
That's an oddly significant call.
dude. That has happened. That's the reason, dude. That's the reason why I don't solo queue. That's the reason why I'm afraid of solo queuing in South American servers. Because if I go out there speaking Spanish and we have 2 or 3 Brazilians on my team, they're gonna report me and start yelling at me because I don't speak Portuguese.
That doesn't surprise me English and South American population.
They report you because you speak English.
Oh, okay.
So you're in the middle of your comms. You either speak Spanish or try and speak English, and the people that speak Spanish go like, "Oh, dude, I don't speak English. Sorry, I'm going to report you because I do not understand you." And Blizzard doesn't give a damn about my region. They don't give a single fuck about it. You wanna know how many South American teams were accepted to the World Cup? Three fucking South American teams. And the only one that had a chance, guess what? It was fucking Brazil. Why? They have better servers, and Blizzard actually gives a shit about them. Everyone else on my region, it's forsaken to be useless. It's forsaken to never be able to achieve anything in Overwatch. Because Blizzard doesn't give enough of a crap about any of us. They gave us good servers for a month, for a fucking month, and then out of the blue, it wasn't even announced on BattleNet. They took them away. They took away the servers, and nobody even knew for a whole month. And according to them, they made a communication. They didn't. They never put it anywhere. You want to know where I found it? I found it on Reddit. I found it on Reddit and on a Blizzard forum from 2019 when the South American servers were down from 2018. That's how incredibly bad my region is. Right now I'm playing with you guys, and normally I have 150 ping. Guess what? I have 290 right now. But oh wait, maybe it's your internet. No, dude, it is not my internet. I have the best internet plan on my country and on my region right now, and I shouldn't be having 300 ping because of it. But guess what? I go from 160 to 200 for no fucking reason. Because that's how much Blizzard cares about the South American region. They don't give a shit.
This fucking Pharah did not miss.
Oh look, I have 300 ping again. Nice.